Alright. Computer is not going to go down. Figured out what happened. I guess you have to plug in the computer. Alright, 4 left. 4 left. We have not seen a Trubisky. Alright, Travis, good luck. omgitsgamera is going to do the last of it. This is box 5. My Steelers, we have Contenders Draft for the RPS. It's a pro style PYT. I don't have it. I'm not going to get that case until the RPS. Man, if I had Contenders Draft right now, that's all I would be busting. That stuff is so hot. All right, good luck, Travis. Eddie Alvarez, Jessica Aguilar, Sage Northcutt, Benavidez, Galdala, Northcutt blue, Max Holloway green, James Vick green, Paige Van Zandt. Hey, Alex. Alex, where'd you go? Paige Van Zandt. Going to be out 25, 20 of 25. Paige Van Zandt. And we got Cody Garbrandt, 105 of 120. Dual jersey auto. Hey, Alex, can you grab me some small sleeves? Can you grab me like 2 packs? All right, Robbie Lawler, Aldo, Watterson. Thank you, sir. Yeah, I saw what that sold for.
Yeah.
Arlovsky. Coward, that's a guy who buys with platinum. Rodriguez.
Oh, he does?
That's the guy whose stuff.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Jose Aldo green. Khabib green. We got Stipe. Miocic. That is 22 of 99. And on-card auto, Jimmy Rivera at a 199. Already showed the Khabib. Get these sleeved up. Sorry, Travis. Oh, the tape gun's in my car still.
Oh, it's okay.
Well, you still need to tape it, but yeah. Yeah, because I picked the thing up that was on the desk, and they all fell out the bottom.
Oh, really?
Namjumis, Rockhold, Justino, Connor, Whitaker, Kolowazkowicz, Latifi, green, Chuck Liddell, blue, Forrest Griffin out of 50, tier 1 green, and Anderson Silva. Nice Anderson Silva. That was 24 of 25. Anderson needs to work on his auto a little bit, though. At least he kept that on sticker. 24 of 25. Anderson Silva. And we got Tony Ferguson, Wilson Reese, Magny, Thompson, Cruz, BJ Penn, Arlovsky blue, green, Kyoji. Green Kyoji. I'm sure Travis is laughing with all my pronunciations of these. Cody Garbrandt, jersey. Out of 125, blue. And 51 of 75, Dominic Cruz, dual relic autograph out of 75. And Kyoji green. I already showed. Alright, that was box 5. This is box 6. What's up, Frank? Frank, buy into the RPS so I can buy your stuff, man. Giving away $250 in break credit if you buy in early. St. Preux, Rivera, Poirier, Vic, Swanson, Kyoji, Green, Dos Anjos, Orange, Wardrum. Orange Wardrum. Got Paige Van Zant. This case is full of Paige Van Zants. Oh, that is sick. Coming up out of 125, Paige Van Zant. And Gold Ink Fearless Fighters, 21 of 25, Lyoto Machida. That card is dope. Top certified autograph Fearless Fighters, 21 of 25, Gold Ink, Lyoto Machida. Or Machida. Dope. Congrats, Travis. Alright, nice, Matt. Nice. We're giving away, Matt, I'm not sure if you saw the Facebook post, but everyone that buys in early, I'm giving away $250 in RPS break credit. On Tuesday, if you buy in early, everyone who's already bought is already qualified. But fill those up, guys. Frank Mir, Woodley, Cerrone, Luzon, Hall, Shevchenko, Green, Rhonda Marcos, green. Shaskelly, blue. Another Iceman, Chuck Liddell out of 125. And Mickey Gall, jersey autograph out of 149. Mickey Gall. You see the Rockets? Do you hear about the Rockets game, Alex?
No, what happened?
James Harden had like 5 points.
Total?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. They shut him out big time.
No, he just played. He had his worst game of the season.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did they lose or win?
Yeah, they lost by like 20-something.
Dang.
Alright, we got Formiga, Hughes, yep, TJ Dillashaw, Cormier, Dos Santos, Matt Hughes, green. We got a blue Sarah McCann, a green Grasso, Alexa Grasso, green. Alright, we got Anderson Silva, one color. That is 89 of 99 on the Anderson Silva. And dual relic autograph. Nice. 44 of 149. Jojo or Joanna Jezic. Cannot pronounce her name to save my life. Yes, everything for the RPS counts, Matt. Everything that's under the RPS. Dash, I am out of UFC. He bought the last 5. I am all out of UFC. We've been trying to hit drafted and no one wanted to do it. Guess not. Let's hit draft Star Wars, Dash. Let's hit draft some Star Wars. Marcos, Inquintana, McMahon, Hendricks, Miller, Torres, Nice. PC. That Joanna was PC. Carolina. Green. Linker. Green. Khabib. Green. Out of 50. 26 of 50. Khabib. And Andrew Sanchez. At a 149. Sorry, Frank. All sales are final. All sales are final. Good thing I cleaned up this room last night. You guys ready for this? Watch this. Watch this. Ready? Ready?
You missed so bad. I knew you were going to do that.
Didn't miss now. I abuse Alex so much. Yeah, I do. Alright, we got Matt Hughes, Frankie Mir, Tyrone Woodley, TJ Dillashaw, Daniel Cormier, Dos Santos, Green Sanchez, Green Smolka, Wardrum Green. Wardrum Green. Out of 50, 42 of 50. And our on-card autograph is Henry Cejudo at a 149. We need to start getting some short prints of those. We need a Rousey. Would Rousey even be a good auto anymore? Alright. Cowboys Cerrone, St. Preux, Luzon, Hall, Shevchenko, Thompson, blue TJ Dillashaw, green Jim Miller, BJ Penn, out of 130. And Andrew Sanchez out of 149. Out of 149. 2 for 2 special. Hey Garrett, bring me some McDonald's. Jimmy Rivera, Dustin Poirier, Holloway, James Vick, Cub Swanson, Kyoji, Green, Forrest Griffith, Brunson, blue, Nate Diaz at a 125, and Ruthless Robbie Lawler, 1 of 50. Signed Ruthless RL again. Come on, Garrett. Uber Eats, man. Yeah, you watching the highlights, Alex? Dude, he just got back from the new shop after, like, putting UPC labels on everything. Dodson, Romero, Condi, Teixeira, Holm, Calderwood, Shevchenko green. Is that a gold? 1 of 1. 1 of 1. That is 3 nights in a row with the 1 of 1.
Nice.
3 nights in a row. Did you take pictures of those things, by the way?
Of what?
Of the Turner?
I'm sorry, which Turner?
The 1 of 1 Trey Turner? I didn't take pictures of any of that stuff. 1 of 1. Steven Thompson. 1 of 1. Alright, we got Matt Hughes. 94 of 99. Matt Hughes. We got another one of those gold ink autos. DC Inscription. 1 of 10. Daniel Cormier. A Wonder Boy and a 1 of 1. Travis, I'll get you numbers right when we're all done. My Steelers, what? Daniel Cormier. Yeah, that was a sick box. Next box. We got Lyoto Machida, Anderson Silva, Ring Girl. Too bad that wasn't a 101. Joanna, Wardrum, Cerrone, green. Cowboys Cerrone is a green. Benavidez, green. Woodley, blue. Ring Girl. 88 of 99. Ariani Celeste. Ring Girl. And Michelle Watterson. It's like our 19th Michelle Watterson auto. 35 of 149. 35 of 149. So, Garrett, how long have you been driving for Uber Eats? Condi. Garbrandt, CM Punk, Holly Holm, Calderwood, Stipe, green, Ryan Hall, blue, Glover, Teixeira. We got Luke Rockhold, 124 of 125. And 173 of 199, Tier 1 autograph, Henry Cajudo. That's what our Paige Van Zandt redemption is going to look like. On card, Henry Cajudo. At a 99, Glover. And now we got Max Holloway, John Hudson, Yoel Romero, Cub Swanson, Kyoji, Glover, Shiesi, green, orange out of 25, Formiga, 24 of 25, Formiga. And we got Robbie Lawler. Wow, we have another gold autograph. Robbie Lawler is 47 of 130 and 24 of 25. Steven Thompson. Steven Thompson, gold ink, Fearless Fighters. Wonder Boy. So one mini box left from that one. It's St. Preux, Rivera, Poirier, Ryan Hall, Savchenko, James Vick, Green, Ronda Rousey. Greens are out of 215. Jessica I, blue. We got Rose Namajunas. Is that going to be a 101? Nope, 9 of 10. 9 of 10. 2-color Rose. 2-color Rose. And 16 of 25. Ruthless Robbie Lawler. I think he signed everything Ruthless, unfortunately. Should have just signed his short print stuff. That Ruthless Robbie Lawler, 16 of 25. And Jessica I. Last box. There's been some nice stuff. I don't think there's been anything like, oh my god, that's massive, but there's been some real nice stuff. Alcantara, McMahon, Formiga, Hendricks, Miller, Torres, Green, Chaz Skelly, Thiago Alves, blue, Anderson Silva out of 50, tier 1, and 1 of 25. Boom. That's probably really big. 1 of 25. Dual Relic Ring Girl. Fight worn memorabilia because she fights. Ariana Celeste. Lon will buy that. LJ Maya will buy that. Ariana Celeste. Anderson Silva. Yeah. Yeah. She's hot. She's the ring girl.
I have no idea who that is.
25.
Rain?
Huh?
Rain? Rain girl?
Ring girl. She's the girl that walks around and holds up the cards.
Oh.
That says round 1.
Nice. Okay.
Quote of the day.
I thought you said rain girl.
25, Kenny. 25. Jessica I, Pennington, Marcos, Pena, Skelly, Smoka, Michelle Watterson, blue. Sarah McMahon, green. We got Joanna. Joanna, 62 of 99. And 2-color, Carlos Condit. Or Condit. Condit. 2-color, 6 of 10, red. We have a new Alex quote of the day.
What was the quote?
Rain girls. They are rain girls. They are not ring girls anymore. They are rain girls.
I thought you said rain girl.
They are bringers of the rain.
I don't know. Maybe there's her nickname or something.
Bringers of the rain. Ooh, that's a nice patch. Zingano, Van Zant, Linkler, Griffin, Edgar, Cyborg, green, Condi, orange. 1, 2, 3, 4-color. 7 of 10, Forrest Griffin. 4-color, Forrest Griffin. And we got Ryan Bader, blue, 21 of 25. 21 of 25. Ryan Bader, on-card autograph, 21 of 25. Oh, we got Condi orange out of 25, and a Robbie Lawler green. All right, last box, last box, last box. Thank you again, Travis. I'm not going to tell him that. They said you are the missing link between man and ape. Anthony Silva. Demetrius Johnson, Chuck Liddell, Thiago Alves, Andre.
At least have a purpose.
Grasso, green, Dos Santos, blue, Almeida, Misha Tate out of 125, tier 1, and out of 149, Rosnan Jumis. Dual relic auto out of 149. Thank you very much, Travis. I'll get this all out to you. If you can text me again what numbers or card numbers you want, I'll get those to you.